breakfast, bread and coffee, and this another van parked next to our car in the middle of the night, and it's kind of nice. It's like self-built and they have a fireplace and everything going on, and Joni went there to say hi to the owner. They're talking. I'm just hoping they don't come to here because I'm not feeling very social at the moment. Maybe after I have drunk my coffee.
We just met this couple from UK. They have this really nice van, and they have wood stove there. It's old ambulance from '85. Yeah.
It looks like everything is going to work out. We had a really bad internet connection, but we managed to make an order via DHL. So it's paid now.
It's gonna be split in Monday.
Yeah.
Or it's gonna be split in Saturday, but I think it's closed.
Yeah.
On
So
Saturday.
earlier is the Monday we can pick it up.
Yes.
I didn't get that much good night's sleep, and now I have like but slept nights 2 in a row, so I don't know. Maybe I don't get too mean, I hope. When
Yeah.
I'm hungry and tired, I can be a little snappy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday, it's police. That other van was parked there, about 200 meters that way,
That road.
on that hill, and the police came and saying that they have to leave to camping ground. And in the middle of the night, they came just beside us. We spent the night here, and police came again in the morning, but they didn't even come here.
Yeah.
They just, I think, checked the road that they really lived,
Yeah.
but they are behind us, so they didn't see.
Yeah, and I think it's maybe okay to be here in the parking.
But yeah. But those are sucky situations,
Yeah.
always.
I think we have been blessed with. We don't have we haven't have any.
Issues.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think because we have like a clean, nice car, and it
Yeah, that might
doesn't-
help. Yeah. So it's only way that police comes is somebody calls.
Yeah.
Not a split. We don't go to split the money
Yeah.
to split.
Split money. But really, and the weather is kind of nice. I had like this Facebook thing telling me to take umbrella with me because
Yeah.
it's going to be a rainy day, but so far it looks good. So we are blessed with that one too.
Yeah, the couple who lived in that van was really nice.
Yeah.
They are staying in Zagreb for, I think, until Wednesday, and they are then going to Italy. So we might meet in the future.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully everything turns out good for them too. And hopefully police won't harass them too much.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are heading Greece at some point. We just have to think.
How we gonna?
Yeah, because the dogs and they need all different kind of reports and vet visits and needles and blood tests and everything. So
if we go through Bosnia-Herzegovina, Montenegro and Albania to Greece, we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 times to vet.
yeah,
So
basically for nothing because
Yeah.
we know they are really safe.
yeah, we have the passport, we have
Yeah,
the
everything.
vaccinations, they are active and everything.
Yeah.
And we have that on paper, but it's not enough.
Yeah, kind of hard travel with the dogs with non-EU countries.
Yeah. In EU countries it's not nothing.
Yeah, you just have the passports and you show them everything is okay. And I don't know what the price is because we have to, like, we have 2 dogs, so it's twice and like 4 different kind of vets.
I don't know the ferries. At least from Croatia you get to Italy easily with the ferry, and from Italy you're gonna get easily to Greece. But Is there anything like from Croatia straight to Greece? No.
Yeah, they might go in the summertime only or something like that. So, but that's the next problem.
Yeah.
We are not going to stress about that one yet. Yeah, traveling with the dog has its
Price.
yeah.
Comes with the price.
Yeah. Hello, Croatia. Grey and wet and full of pollution. I'll start preparing food.
Yes, only unpaid parking in whole city.
Yes, really nice.
Almost in Plitvice.
Yeah, they'll park it here next to this.
Tourist information.
Yeah, and toilets.
Toilets. So it's 30 kuna for this area here to walk there and use the facilities.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we are going there.
Yes.
We are eating our pesto chicken, pasta and salad. Kinda the same thing as always. But we are going to hurry up because it's going to be dark soon, so it would be pointless then to pay and not see anything. So we are fast fooding.
Yeah.
Is it ripe now? But it's not pink.
It's not pink, it's okay. Yeah. Messy big.
Al dente chicken.
No. Yeah, we were ready to pay about this place, but
Yeah.
it was free.
Lucky us.
Lucky us.
Yeah. Finally, when we are ready to
Pay
pay,
something, so
we
it's
get
like
it for free.
yeah.
Excellent. Really nice.
Yeah, we'll go to toilet before we
Yeah.
leave.
Everything.
So we need to drink coffee.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Really nice. It's stopped raining.
And really nice, this is free.
Yeah, the best part.
So we found free parking and this is also free, so lucky us.
Lucky us. Really nice.
Yeah, all the other parking in here is paid parking.
Yeah.
That parking slot that we are, it's the only one that is
Free.
unpaid. Free. Wow, it's so clear.
Hello. Really beautiful. Really? Are ducks there? Maybe not. I bet Joni is going to sleep. Really nice and a really non-trashy place. Way to go, Croatia.
Crossing the bridge. Oh, there's no bridge. Also disabled people can go swimming.
Ah! Så håll den i en patch. This scenery is like from the book or movie or something. It's so surreal.
Very nice.
Very scary looking signs. Hello Croatia.
Hello, Croatia.
The last turns to snow on that altitude, so we are really close.
Yeah.